In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge databases in Notion, all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple and seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to open Notion on your device. Whether you're using Notion on your desktop or mobile device, make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Being organized and having everything you need at your fingertips will definitely make things much easier. Next, navigate to the database that you want to merge into. This is essentially your main database, the one where all your useful information will eventually be integrated. Think of it as the heart of your operation, where all those little pieces of information are going to come together. Make sure you're comfortable with its layout and understand what information is already there, as this will help avoid any misunderstandings or duplication later. Now, it's time to turn your attention to the second database. This is the one that contains the data you wish to move over. Go ahead and open that up. Once you have it, your task is to select all the rows in this database. On most devices, simply clicking and dragging or using a Ctrl-A or Command-A shortcut can do the trick. Ensure you've highlighted everything, as you want a complete transfer with nothing left behind. Once all your rows are selected, we move to the next step, copying them. This is as straightforward as right-clicking and choosing Copy from the context menu, or using the handy keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-C or Command-C depending on your device. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything you need has been selected before you do this. With the data successfully copied, the final step is to head back to your main database, the one we opened right at the start. This is where the magic happens. Place your cursor where you want the new data to appear and paste it in. Again, this can be done by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the classic Ctrl-V or Command-V. Once pasted, take a moment to ensure everything looks right and is in the correct order. You might need to adjust the columns or rows slightly to make sure everything fits perfectly and adheres to the existing structure of your main database. And that's it. You've successfully merged two databases in Notion. This simple yet effective process can save you tons of time and keep your Notion workspace neat and organized, whether for work, school, or personal use. Knowing how to efficiently manage and merge databases is an invaluable skill. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.